going on, my mini millionaires? It is your boy Terry Stonkers, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the dip. All right, guys. In today's video, yes, Meta stock got hammered down today, but so did the whole market. And we're going to go over the news that revolves around why the market had a sell-off today, but also why I got a smile on my face as well, because there is the trend going around that the big tech large caps is finally on the move of the sell-off, and we know where that money is going to rotate to. That's right, it's going to come to the small and mid cap stocks, because the large caps are way overvalued, way overpriced, and that money is starting to rotate out, and it's sitting on the sidelines because there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. And we're going to go over that information in today's video. And once this uncertainty is gone, you best believe the small caps are going to go off to the freaking moon. So hope you're all ready for today's video. If you are, smash a thumbs up. Check out the links down below. And baby, you know what's coming. Let's go. So here's the first bit of news that's going around. Well, it is the big deal. Biden says he can't guarantee the debt ceiling lift due to hypercritical, dangerous, and disgraceful GOP opposition. So that is the big article out. Pretty much as soon as this came out, the market started to tank and go red. So don't let this be the reason that would get you upset about Meta. Man, Meta has a lot of great information. We're going to cover that as well. There's something else I wanted to show you. Another article out here. Stock market today. The NASDAQ spirals as big tech sells off. And this article here talks about how, Facebook had the big outage, and they were down like $7 billion today because of that outage. This article here kind of goes over, the rise in bond yields, and Facebook was down about 5%, and it goes over a bunch of the other stocks down here as well. We like seeing here that the crude oil and gas and all is going up, so that's nice to see as well. Also, this other article out here, guys, is the stock futures rise slightly after tech-driven sell-off on Wall Street. This article was just posted 3 minutes ago. The big sell-off happened. The markets went red. We already know our small cap stocks are beaten down, dirty right now. They're getting down and they're just way down and undervalued. So I think, as we pointed out in the video yesterday on our buddy Will Mead, he had that small cap chart that shows around early to mid-October, the small caps start to heat up and they cool off around January or February of next year. So here you can see this article here. It goes down here, it's talking about it, how the S&P 500, 2%, they rose to 0.3%, and it's basically here on Monday. The NASDAQ dropped 2.1%. What's this here? Apple, and Alphabet, Amazon, Microsoft all fell at least 2%. Shares of Facebook went 4.9%. The blue chip Dow shed more than 300 points, while the S&P lost 1.3%. So keep that in mind as well, guys. Don't let this news, like I said, we got diamond hands in Meta. I just wanted to bring you this news so you don't feel discouraged on MetaMaterials. Real quick, here's where Will said just on October 2nd, we're getting close to a huge breakout in the small caps. And here it has the Russell 2000, and you can see here on the chart, let me move that out of the way, and there you go. It's been consolidating up and down, and it's due to break out of this trend line here. And we're going to go take a look at his other chart. And here's the chart of the Russell 2000, which MetaMaterials is in that Russell 2000. As you can see, right here in the beginning of October, it shows where it's down. And then it basically, the chart goes up, as you can see the line, up through December. So that's what I'm telling you, in these small cap stocks, it looks like if you want to capture some gains, you might want to sell out towards the end of the year, it looks like. Because even it shows about mid-December, it kind of takes a small dip, but then it rips towards the end of the year. And I think people sell out to get those capital gains and all locked in, possibly, for the end of the year. So just want to put this chart on your radar as well. I'll be looking to do this with a lot of stocks, probably not MetaMaterials, but we'll see how the market goes. Quick here on Twitter, you can see where George here said, "Thank you at Lux Research. On behalf of MetaMaterials, we are proud to receive this year's Lux Innovator of the Year award for our green 5G application code developed." And here it has the people they tagged there with it. And there you can say Lux Research announces 2021 Innovator of the Year award honorees. Going to be MetaMaterials. Down here, I did retweet this from MetaMaterials post, and I tagged George, MetaMaterials, and MMAT, and I said, keep up the great work. And I commented down below, it's always good when you see your CEO is out there watching its fellow investors / social media YouTubers. And George put a like on my post, and that's pretty cool. So I want to say thank you again, George, for doing that, buddy. I took a screenshot to post below my comment there. I thought that was pretty cool. Also, real quick, if you go to George's likes, there you can see my post that I retweeted at is under George's likes as well. He also liked Kevin's post down there from Meta's retweet of that award as well. So huge congrats for Meta for getting that amazing award. All right, real quick, I want to cover this. Someone here on StockTwits, we're going to take this for what it is. They messaged someone from the Lux Research here, and it says, what sort of relationship will Lux have with Meta following their Innovator of the Year award? Is it just a simple recognition, or is there something more to it? Thanks. He said, hi, my name is Andrew Robinson. Happy to help answer your question today. I'm checking with some folks internally to answer this question, but if I can't find the answer in a timely manner, you can always follow up, and has the email down here at Lux Research. So this was his first part. We go up here to the part 2 of 2, and Andrew here comments back. I was able to find an answer as the award indicates they are a typical Lux client and have been available to them the standard service we offer to any client. So simply put, we are just recognizing them. Would love to understand what prompted your interest in Meta or the Innovator of the Year award. And the gentleman here says, just a Meta investor who recognizes their revolutionary technology as well. Thanks for your time answering my question. So that's pretty cool. I like people that go out there and do that, man. It reminds me of the MMAT1 options where I called up Fidelity, had to confirm it. They confirmed it. And not only did they confirm it, I went in and legit did the option, got it exercised, show it on my profile, my Fidelity account, one of my smaller portfolios, and showed where I exercise it and shows it where it's all there. So I love this DD here that someone did. And here we are on the FinTel. We're going to cover this information as well. So you can see here we got the scores. We got the momentum setting at 98.80, ranked number 535 out of 41,950 stocks. And we get down here. Look at this, man. Beautiful, beautiful. Ownership accumulation score, a 98.90. That is ranked number 23, guys. The 23rd stock out of over 22,000 stocks. Keep in mind, this here is basically saying the big institutions, the big totes, the big money, the whales, they're all buying this stock and holding it. This momentum here is a proprietary score of over the last 6 months of the trading momentum. So we had some pretty great momentum. Now we're going to go here and take a look at the short interest. Now, they did a little update here on the FinTel, so we got to go over all this together. So you can see here the short interest is showing about 24 million shares. So this is the source of NASDAQ. The short interest ratio is 0.9 days to cover. The short interest percent of flow is at 10.56. This says here NASDAQ short interest, capital IQ float. And now it actually has here the dark pool short volume, and it has the dark pool short volume ratio. And this is says source of the FINRA. So it is confirmed that FINRA is the dark pool volume. So dark pool short volume is 3.6 million shares. Dark pool short volume ratio is a 49.51. And we get out here and take a look at the short squeeze score. We're at 81.03. We are ranked number 59 out of over 5,500 stocks. The short shares availability at this particular leading prime brokerage, whoever that may be, up to 11 minutes ago, there was 500,000 shares, and our short borrow fee did drop to a 6.33. So there was probably people returning shares today because of the price coming down about 8-9%. Now look at this down here. This is all different. This looks so much different. Look at this here. Now we got, got to get used to this, man. So we got the FINRA we got today, 10-4, FINRA dark pool short volume 2.1. FINRA dark pool total volume was 4.3 million shares, and the FINRA dark pool short volume ratio of 49.51. Down here we got the combined of everything. Holy smokes, man. Look here on the first. Did I not cover that in the video? I had to. 59.17. Almost 60% of our shares were in the short volume, guys, and just yesterday. Now, I'm waiting to see here what we get for the CBOE, but it's probably going to be in the 50s as well. I mean, we had low volume today, but that's expected with all that news we covered at the beginning. I'm sorry I put too much, time into that, but I wanted to put that on your plate of that's what's happening to all the stocks. It ain't just metamaterials. So Don't let that get you down, guys. Like we got the unicorn stock here. Let's see. We still haven't heard any update on this bottom part here. No updates yet, and no updates on any of that. And I just wanted to say, go to MetaMaterials Twitter page. This is the one that I did retweet. I tagged George and put a like on it. But this is awesome, man. This is what you want to see: a company you're investing in getting really amazing awards. And I'd like to name this the Lux Innovator of the Year Award, guys. This is phenomenal. We are a damn innovative company. And this here is exactly what we want to see. Down here it says, Meta's winning submission. We submitted in a sustainable solution for the promise of 5G in dense urban environments. Was based in collaboration with the Suxi Chemical. And there it is, with the reflection of improved performance and coverage over the high speed of 5G and future 6G networks. This thing is going to be freaking amazing. So we won the Innovator of the Year Award for our 5G and future 6G networks, guys. This is going to be pretty darn amazing. You got to go in here and read this article. Here's a little picture of the transparent window film, Transformers Outdoor 5G coverage. This is just so amazing. Go read this article. And make sure you go read this one as well. I'll make sure to put this one here in the pinned comments. This one's pretty easy to find because it's literally right under Meta's page, so you can go do that. This one here, I'll tag this down in the pinned comments so you guys can go read this article. And after you read this article, man, it's going to make you put a smile on your face. That's right, the smile on the face, because in that beginning part of the video we covered, the large caps are starting to sell off. Now, we talked about this on the channel a while back, a few weeks back, maybe a month back, that the large cap stocks are truly overvalued. It's just a matter of time before the money sells out of those and they come down to small and mid caps. And how are they going to decide on who they're going to invest their money into in these small and mid caps? They're just not going to throw money into a company. They're going to look and see what's going on with the company. Are they innovative? Are they winning awards? Are they growing year-over-year revenues and growth? Damn right, we got all that here at MetaMaterials. We are the unicorn stock, and we're not going anywhere, man. This thing is going to go to the moon when this money starts rotating in. I've seen some posts out there talking about George and someone else holds over 30-some million of the shares, which is a pretty good percent of the float. I haven't done any true DD on that to really figure out how many shares George has. But someone out there is posting that. Just want to put that on your plate as well. There's probably a lot less in the 279 million shares in the actual float that we do have compared to probably what's out there. And you know, all of us retail, we're not selling out of this, man. We're buying up more. It's down here close to $5. We're going to be picking up more of this. So, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If it did, smash a thumbs up. Hope it got your spirits up. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.